Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing to share with you. This time it is from Next and it's all Clinique beauty products. This box retails for £45 and it has a total value of £87. It is still available on the Next website, as are lots of new boxes. If you're interested in any of these boxes for yourself, as always, you'll find all the links and everything down below in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and all information, links and everything that you require will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. I haven't had a look inside yet. Do you know the first thing I saw? I thought, oh look, oh I love her dragon tattoos. Look on her wrist. Gorgeous little dragon tattoos, but guess who it is? The Dragon Queen herself from Game of Thrones. So in here, it details everything about the products inside the box. So I'll refer to that as we go along. And there's 5 items. What a big box though. Really? Nah. You know, like you could have squished them up. Look. A little corner there. Next, you don't need to be doing these big boxes. It's just a waste. Yes, it looks cool. It does look cool, but no, look. No, it's just silly. Just silly. Okay, starting off then with one of my all-time favourite moisturisers. I absolutely adore this moisturiser. This is the Moisture Surge, and we've got a 100-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I don't think I've actually tried this one. I've tried the original Moisture Surge, then I've tried the 72-hour Hydrator, and I've tried the Moisture Surge with, I think it's SPF 45. Now this is a 100-hour one. Wow. So 30 mils there. I love this cream so much. Well, it's like a gel. It's like a watery gel. You apply it onto your skin, it absorbs super quickly into your skin, but it leaves your skin feeling, you know, like primers that contain silica. You know, sometimes when you put it on your face, your face just feels silky smooth and soft. It feels like that with this moisturiser. So it's like a barrier on your skin, but it doesn't feel tacky or heavy. It's super light. It's just a gorgeous moisturiser. I've never had problems layering with SPF on top, any serums underneath. So yeah, I love this. And this is a full size one in this box. You can get 50 mils as well, but it doesn't say the pricing, but I'm assuming this will probably cost about £30–35. So it says here, whether you've got dry, dehydrated or oily skin, drench your complexion in hydration with this oil-free gel cream moisturiser. Enriched with exclusive aloe bio ferment and hyaluronic acid, it leaves your skin looking plump and glowing and provides long-lasting hydration. Yeah, it is a really gorgeous moisturiser. I'm not going to try it out. I'm going to save it. Next, we've got something for your eyes. This is all about eyes, reduces circles and puffs, and there's 15 mils here. And this is full size as well. And this is a really nice cream as well. I've had this in different subscription boxes. Yeah, it's lovely. There, can you see? It's a nice thick cream. Perfect for banishing dark circles. This lightweight eye cream diminishes the appearance of puffiness, fine lines and shadows. Plus, the clever cream gel hybrid texture actually helps to hold your eye makeup and concealer in place for longer. It's genius. So there's that. Next, we've got another one of my favourites. It's the Balm. It's the Take Off. What's it say? No, not Take Off. Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And we've got 30 mils there. I'm not going to put my finger in it. It's so nice and it doesn't smell. No. No, it doesn't smell. It's just a really nice balm. Just melts away makeup on your face. There's a good reason why this cleansing balm is heralded by beauty editors, makeup artists and influencers. It cleanses and purifies your skin, effortlessly melting away makeup, dirt, pollution and SPF. Skin is left soft, supple, hydrated and never stripped. Cleansing balm. Next, we've got a mascara. This is Lash Power Mascara, long wearing formula in black onyx. That's the outer packaging. Other than the first 3 items that I've shown you, maybe a foundation that I've tried, I haven't tried much else from Clinique. Isn't that odd? Maybe I've tried like when I've had free samples and I haven't liked it. I've got a feeling I had a mascara. Whoa! Ooh! Look at that. Maybe I've had a mascara before and I didn't like it. Oh my gosh, that is super tiny, but that excites me. I have got really not the best under eyelashes at all. They are really short, stumpy, thin. There's not much of them. So I have to be really careful with the type of wand I use. And sometimes I leave a right mess underneath my eyes. But this is a perfect bottom lash mascara. Oh, I'm really chuffed with that. Really, really chuffed. Lengthen your lashes with complete smudge proof assurance with this cult mascara. Not only does the formula last for 24 hours, it's super easy to remove. Simply dampen lashes with warm water and watch as the mascara melts away. No tugging, stinging or rubbing inside. So there's that. And then lastly, we have got, I think, is it a lipstick? Clinique Pop Lip Colour and Primer. It just says there sample. So everything else is full size then. Yeah, everything else can be bought at that size that I've shown you, but this is a little sample. We've got a little one there. What shade is this one? 02 Bear Pop. Oh, that's a nice colour. It's got like a very fine gold shimmer through it. I'll you see there. Just try some on my hand. Ooh, oh, that is pretty. See? It's not highly pigmented. It is really nice, just to give you like a flusher colour to the lips. So it's a lip colour and primer, combining a lip colour with ultra conditioning long-lasting pigment. This is the only lipstick you'll ever want to leave home without. The clever hybrid formula helps colour to stay true and keeps lips comfortably moisturised for 8 hours. Wow. Oh, it's pretty. It's all like different colours, like purples and like a coral. That's really nice. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this next limited edition Clinique beauty box. Costs £45 and has a value of £87. I love it. It has some of my favourite Clinique products in there. I'm really excited about that mascara. Yeah, who knew? A tiny, tiny little mascara like that. You'd think, yeah, that's not going to do nothing to lashes. But might be surprised. But I'd love to know what you think of this box. Have you gone out and bought it, or is this the first time you're hearing about it? Is this the first time you're hearing that Next do these beauty boxes? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Unfortunately, you aren't able to get these out of the UK, and which is such a shame. So apologies for all my out of the UK viewers, but I'll be unboxing more boxes that hopefully you'll be able to have in your own countries very soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.